Hello everyone, welcome to the channel.
Hear me well? Yes. Thank you. So I was just thinking if I could uh, go with the Ubuntu. So Ubuntu and Linux, it's almost same, and like data collection and everything. So I'll be basically going with the again kind of beginners module, which is Nmapping and Wireshark. So if you go Ubuntu and that's a different kind of sometimes different, but it is almost same kind of um, study or same kind of comments. You can still go with the um, this smaller frame. uh, so let me examine it so that I can know really how many space required or how many space available. Why is it such a big items or big amounts of contents are available in my spaces? I'm just looking at it. Basically, I did for space specification more probably like 20 GB. It is right control shift X. Probably it will be exit, but sometimes it doesn't. Excuse me. This is basically okay. So we'll never do this again. It's no software is updated. So if it is home, it is home. Then after that, you just go with the CD. Um, then you just look for how many files. Like if you want to uh, root, then CD root or CD sorry. There is no directory in this category. So if you go back and you are into a root position right now. So now it is a root position. And let me see if we have any other kind of in Ubuntu. This is my first time. I basically go with the Kali Linux, but it is also fine because config. If you go with the configuration, okay, and map dot. Okay, let me see. It doesn't have any end mapping tools. So these are the problem on. This is my first time actually go with the um, with the Ubuntu, but now if it is like, and if you just cancel or shut down, power off or shut down some shit, so it will shut down right away. You can see power off. Of course, it will take a lot of time. And if you just go to this power, which is Kali 2, it is more capable configuration, which I always know that it would be more capability. Oh, by the way, this is 2022 version for the Ubuntu, but I'll still go with the Linux because Linux operating system is far better way than any other persuasive system. If it is just looking at this, but it is working or not. And Linux is very strong as well. So, okay, Linux is far better and more stronger than any other parts. Linux right away captures so many things. So this is the thing actually. So let me go with the RAID terminal, which is, for example, this. Let me see the config. Oh, sorry, if config. So you can, if you'd like to show with this thing, this is basically, this is not the original thing. This is not original. I have hidden this. So don't even think of doing anything. This is the Ethernet or MAC address. So, okay, this is Bash language and scripting. So you'll be able to find it. And I go with the Eric Green. Health. If it goes with starting and map, they could not find any of the organization. But if I go with this thing, with the Mozilla Firefox into Kali Linux, this is by the way a proxy. It is a proxy. Peregrine, Peregrine Hill, for example. I'm just looking at it. Try again without proxy. It is with proxy. Peregrine Hill. It does not really. And if I go to the settings and shortcut manage more settings, let me see if I have changed into Firefox default has to be home page, and if it is JavaScript, uh, yeah, if it is Java, which is Django Swift, has to be this. So let me check again. Background dot. Still could not find any of this prox because of the proxy and all. Okay, couldn't find anything. So let me see. Let me see from any other browser. It would be Peregrine Health, which is basically that is the reason I couldn't find it. So let me see if it is here. Health. Okay, Peregrine Health. Peregrine Health. Yeah, Health. Let's see. Copy. Peregrinehealth.com. So check the proxy settings to make sure they are correct. Contact your network administration. Proxy setting. Send websites do not track. Signal that. Proxy. Proxy settings. No proxy. Manual proxy. If you do with the manual proxy, use system proxies and port 8080. If you do with this HTTP proxy, that is fine. But if you would go with this thing, and if you just go with this, right now it is going to be opening your system. Okay, if you go with the inspect, okay, changes, style, performance, memory, storage, and network. If we go with them and their networking system, and if you go with the HTTP 3 version, they are um, request response security system. Okay, okay. So this would be the website. Let me find out uh, the system if it could be possible. And map and Peregrine. No, that would be control and C. It is not actually peregrine.org. It is something else. www.peregrine.org. If we go with the Go Buster, then if you just go with the paste and enter, do you want to install it? Yes. You more manually run sudo okay configure a to correct the problem. Okay, sudo dpkg, which is, and after that configure, which is the application. Okay, so now go buster and this buster with www control v green health. Now it is done. Do you want to continue? Yes, which is why. And enable to fetch this. Now, do you want to continue? Yes. And okay, so this is basically the Go Buster I have not found, could not find. So let me try again. And Go Buster, and not this actually. So doesn't have to be like this. No, 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 please. Uh, Still could not find it. Continue and fetch. Maybe run apt get update. Apt get then go buster. Command line option G from get is not understood. Okay, so this is a problem. Apt. This is basically get update go buster. The update command takes no arrangements or arguments. So sorry. So The app install, still not working. So it is basically making some shield out here, and which is then after Control V, or maybe you just go with this paste. Uh, it doesn't cover like this though. Okay, and map. Okay, so let me see. It is this one, peregrinahealth.com. Yeah, it is the it is nothing but this. Yeah, it did. It did. So yes, I found one IP of the Peregrine Health, which is our DNS server IP, and one IP address, one host scanned, which is this. This is the IP address 18.211.166. This is the IP address I found. Okay, so this is the IP I just figured out. So now we don't have to go with any other particular purpose. So I'll just put it here, this information, and I'll go back here into my server, my secured server, which is this way. And I have to go with who is 18, which is this one, and paste. I go here. It says belongs to Amazon.com. It's associated with hostname EC2 Amazon autonomous system IP of this. This is Amazon.com actually. Okay, so this is basically a different IP. It is actually Nmap 18.211.166, which is the 153. Yes. Let me see if it runs the Amazon.org. Yes, it runs actually compute one dot Amazon AWS.com. But when I ran the Peregrine, it says this one. It says this one. This is basically Nmap scan report, and this one is different scan report, which is Wireshark 18.211.166.1. Let's go with the version. The file, this does not exist. So, so that means that IP address proxy for the Peregrine, it's a proxy. It is not possible, and that's it actually. See, cannot go again. Where sure. Okay, let me see if we find any file that could be awesome. So whatever the file would be running, it will show here this processing places. So I'm basically looking for the networks nearby, if I can find any, and if it is range of that network system, probably I can see something. Here it is some live capture. This is basically the draw packets using your coloring rules. Enlarge the main window system or something. So here, I found IPv6, one of the router. We definitely looking for some kind of stuff. Oh, by the way, here, these are all this captured protocol. I have this, all this IP, I got this, okay? All nearby IP nearby to me. Uh, I found some DNS server. I found some particular so many IPs low. So let me see if I can figure out this IP. Um, these are the IP actually. So and here, let me see what are the possibility. I'm just checking here if there any possibility here that I can find this IP through the system. I can paste it. Okay, so you cannot basically, I'm not sure what is this channel for. Level enter a decimal for the filtered button. Uh, Target P is this and this targeted and button preference. You don't have to go with this. Enter. This is 18 something, correct? Okay, you have lot of IPs nearby. So these are the IP. So I'm not going with this. This is basically not local. This is this is not single IP. I I connected with this one, and this one connected again with this. This means it has it has collaborated here at here. Only this IP is trying to collaborate with me also. QUIC destination is 142, 250, 176, 196. I got it. User datagram protocol, IETF for the packet bytes. You don't need any other information from here. This is a protected destination. I could find only this. I found a lot of routers nearby so far. But, okay, 142 actually accepted my transaction with them. So this packet is already connected with this 142, 250, 80, 78. Okay, 243 and 93. This is TCP. Yes, this is a internet protocol of somebody. This is also kind of single network, or I guess source. See here, who has 10022? This is me actually. So they are trying to block me. They are trying to block me. They are trying to block me. And this one also PCS. If I do this again, continue without a save before continue. Okay, I just saved it and save it into documents, captured files, save it. And I just saved one of those captured IP. Right now, I'm trying to refresh again through the system, and I'll just go back here so that if I do the refresh for my server or any other parts of here, for example, see, when you do the refresh of the server button, it will definitely come out with so many IPs. You can find so many IPs. These are all protected IPs. Don't even think about doing anything, okay? So this is the thing. These are all protected IPs. So yeah, only connected, only connected. This is only connected. 70, 75. It connected. So once connected, so many times connected with the this organization 142, 250, 176, 209, 209. 195 also they captured, 209 also they captured here. 209 and 199. This is the project. This is basically have done this like this. So basically, if you just go with the chart, so you can see on my print shot I have taken because it has the particular thing has been captured. You can see this is connected with this, and when they return and answer, so that means they contracted each other. You can do whatever you want to do, but don't do anything rubbish, okay? Other than that, they will block so many things, and you will lose your Linux operating. So you can also they can block Linux as well. So don't try to do any um, unnecessary bad things. You don't have to. You could be so many things, but don't try to be so many. Okay. So for now, I will just stop right now, and that's all actually so far. And that was actually the TCP port scanning, and also so many other parts. I hope you enjoyed it and liked it. Please subscribe my channel and share. If you'd like to do anything, just let me know.